back at the airport about to head home. Miami International. Plane it leaves Fort Lauderdale, so we have to drop the car off, and now we're at the bottom train platform to get the train to Fort Lauderdale. Um, Plane that we booked doesn't do flights to Miami, only Fort Lauderdale. So yeah, I'm sweating like a dog in here. So hopefully when we start moving, this train will, the AC will turn on. Hopefully, but I'm sweating like a dog in here. Everybody's luggage gotta be jammed up on one another, so they say you can't put your luggage in the seat. So that's a bunch of shit, but anyhow, if you can pay for it, pay for it. But he say, see, it's only for passengers. Only for passengers, so that's how that is here. Okay, I've been to this will be my first actual train ride from ever since I wanted to go on the train ride. I've been to the train museum, but the train ride there was short, slow. The train was rusty, seats dirty. I mean, shit. I know it's a old train and it's antique, but I mean, if you got people riding it, I mean, come on, clean it or something, spray paint it or something. You know what I mean? And besides, it looks like where poison spiders and snakes would live, because it wasn't a good experience at all because of that. I mean, I took pictures of everything. They even had shit in the toilet. Antique shit. Antique shit. That's bad. I mean, it smells mildew. I know that's how they make it look. It also look like he would be sleeping in there. But I mean, overall, it was amazing because I've never seen a train before, and they see how the train actually looked inside and all that stuff. It was okay, besides the dirty train ride. Had me scared shit that I might get bite from spider or poison spider or something. I don't like insects, so call me sissy or punk, whatever you choose, but I don't like creepy crawly shits. And it was good. Besides that, so this train ride will take us from here to Miami, Fort Lauderdale International Airport. From Miami International to Fort Lauderdale International. Hopefully, start moving pretty soon because our flight is like about something, I guess. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, so that's basically it. Been to the hospital, I got a needle. Nurse could tell me I acting like a baby because it ain't hurt. But I say no, I'm getting sick. So how she can tell me it ain't hurt? How can somebody tell you when you hurt? You understand what I'm saying? Especially someone who don't like needles. But I got it done. I did feel a step. I hope I don't be diabetic because I can't give myself no needle. You ain't gonna wait. My wife is down at the next level with the luggage. She's close because if I call her, she can hear. I'm at they call it some balcony area. She's at the lowest level. I'm at the top level, so I can see everything when we go past. I don't think I want to record it, but I'm not sure we're going to record this trip on the train. But let's see how it goes. Over and out.